Hi everyone and welcome to Embrace Salon. We started 1.5 years at home and then we've been in the salon for over a year now. Not so much the hair, probably the iron burn marks on your forehead. I think we're all a bit guilty of that one. Traffic light here. So you've got, you know the traffic light ice block, red, yellow, green, and it's just straight like black, brown, blonde, like straight cuts. And banana hair, yeah. So you know when people like want to dye their hair at home, and you know there's always cheap alternatives, and they come do it at home and stuff. And then they end up coming to fix it and call it banana, like the minions, banana. Well, what you do is you just do these kind of like moves, like, and then try and like pat it down. Like pat it down, yeah. Dancing, cue the music, and then like. Those kind of moves. But if you go like this, just watch out, because and then you do those moves. A beautiful woman to me is someone who carries herself well, and beauty doesn't have a size, doesn't have a shape, doesn't have weight or anything. It actually is the beauty inside that really stands out the most. Island women have big eyes, big lips, big hips, big feet. You know, big personalities and big hearts. And yeah, I think those features, because look, plastic surgery, you don't want to get bigger boobs and bigger bums and, you know, bigger lips. That all comes all natural to us girls. My biggest motivation is my family, and I want to acknowledge my grandparents who came, like, you know, living the journey coming from the islands to New Zealand to build a better future for their children. And I kind of want to carry on their legacy and like build a foundation for, God willing, my future children. I don't want to work for someone else. And it's quite funny, like we have people walk past the shop and like, you know, double check and be like, oh, these island girls working here, like, is this run by an islander? Like, yeah, come in, have a hug.